Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Today I'm going over to my sister's house. She's having hamburgers and hot dogs. And I am taking mashed potato salad. This is something we had as a kid, and I don't know why, but I remember one time my mom said we were having an indoor picnic. I guess we were going to go on a picnic, but maybe it was rainy. I do remember it was cloudy outside, and so we had a blanket picnic inside. She made mashed potato salad, and we've loved it ever since. It's real popular down south, so I think people down south will know what this is, but maybe up north, not so much. And everybody puts in different things, what they want. What I started with, though, is I boiled 3 pounds of potatoes in vinegar and salt, so the potatoes get the taste. While they're boiling, they soak up all that vinegar. And it's not just a bland potato. In fact, I could eat the potatoes as is. Then I have sprinkled Beaumont. I'll sprinkle a little bit more. And that's basically onion powder and celery seed that I've sprinkled up on top. I'm going to mix them. But first, I'm going to add mayonnaise. This spoon. I'm going to add this in place of butter. That will be in place of butter. And then mustard. While I'm mixing it, and you can mix it as smooth or as lumpy as you like. We like it pretty smooth. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add some black pepper. Now I'm going to scrape it down. And you're going to want your mashed potatoes a little more soupy, because as they thicken or as they cool, they get thicker. I add in onion, celery. Now this is not what we used in our family, but I am using sweet hot pickles. Shh, don't tell anybody. I like it. And last, the eggs. Can't have potato salad in my family without eggs. Boiled, not scrambled. Now's the time to taste. I want a little of everything. Those pickles in there add a nice flavor. There's onions, there's crunch, there's tang that the vinegar gives with the potato. I mean, the potato is just bathed in vinegar. And all it took was like a couple tablespoons in the water, the mustard. I'm going to say you cannot taste the mayonnaise, which is a good thing in my family. They like their potato salad really tart, but it gives it a creaminess. And it allowed me to not have to put butter in there, which I think my mom did. For this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. And remember, like me on Facebook. Yay! For all those on Facebook, I really appreciate it. Remember, pop on over to YouTube. Subscribe. It's down in the corner. It says subscribe, and right next to the subscribe button is a bell. Ding the bell. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye.